for you to decode. Time and tide wait for none.
Sir, I can't understand what are you saying.
समय और लहरें किसी का इंतजार नहीं करती. Time and tide wait for none.
Yeah, time and
Tide means लहरें.
time and tide don't wait for anyone because if एक बार वो बह जाती हैं
Once it flows.
when it flows so they it will never come again.
Do you ever regret for anything you missed?
Yeah, I regret for my bad behavior.
No, I am saying you regret for something you missed. छूट गया आपसे. Is there anything you regret for you missed in life?
No, I don't regret.
What is the value of time in your life? How do you define it?
Time is the most important thing because time is the one thing that because according to time we wake up, we do all works, we go to tuition institute at time, and time is really most important for us because if it will never ये नहीं होगा.
If it is not.
If it is not, so maybe we can't do anything at proper time.
Are you with violence or non-violence?
Violence.
Are you with violence or non-violence? हिंसा और अहिंसा.
I am with non-violence.
Do you practice it in your life?
No, I don't practice.
I practice.
Sorry, yeah.
Any example where you use non-violence? You chose non-violence over violence.
Sir, I can't understand.
आपने हाथ जोड़ना बेहतर समझा बजाय गुस्सा मारने के.
Yeah, I think because if we request to someone for anything and if we are requesting for someone like once, twice, and he is not
If he does not obey you.
If he does not obey you, so we should violence.
Have you ever tried?
No, I haven't tried this.
What is one thing you want to change in your personality?
I want to change my laziness because
I want to overcome.
I want to overcome from my laziness because most of the time I delay my work like school work and also tuition work, so I think that it is not right for me and it is not good for my bright future.
Shall girls really care about their beauty?
Yeah, I think that she really cares about our
I'm
beauty.
saying shall girls really care about their beauties because girls are really like depressed, intense about their beauty. They feel so insecure, unconfident.
Because you know that a girl thinks that about others. Because in this time we don't know about any person how is he insidely, and maybe he will discriminate any time of you. So we should take care.
How do you say this world out of 100? Do you think this world has completely turned into negativity, or do you still think there is huge positivity in this society or in this world?
I think that there is
Could you give any percentage out of 100 how much negativity or how much positivity is still in the world?
I think that negativity is more than positivity. Maybe 80% is negativity and 20% is positivity. But I am not sure proper.
Do you know about any negative person you think is very negative or stays very negative? Don't take the name, but they always try to demotivate.
No.
But you said 80% negativity, but you haven't even a single example for negativity.
Yeah, I have an example of myself. Like
Do you find yourself negative?
Yeah, I find myself negative because I don't know about many things, but I know some little
Maybe you
things.
are
So that's
maybe
why.
you are doubtful, not negative. Maybe
No,
you have self doubt,
yeah, you can say it.
but you cannot say like I'm negative. You can say like I have self doubt. I
Yeah,
doubt myself.
maybe it is right or not. I'm not sure because sometimes I think that I'm very negative person, but for myself, and if otherwise I want to give advice to others, so I always give positive advice to everyone, but I don't give positive advice to myself.
What is one thing you want to tell us about you? Something interesting that you want to tell us? Anything? Look at people. They are
I
listening.
want to tell about I'm very that person, like I expect from everyone lot of things, and I also expect that if I give respect and also my love to others, so I think that they also should give me, but sometime most of the time I feel very bad because they don't give and they don't do as I think.
Well, class.